starting this video off on my daily walk, but it has come to mine and Jack's attention that Rebecca and Sarah both cheated in the challenge because anybody can blow bubbles. So we are going to be doing it the right way.
Right. Here we go. That bit I'd say afterwards.
You best believe my phone, like, you know the 10% thing, stop the video halfway through, my 29.5. So I'm gonna try it again, but if not, y'all know I got 29 seconds. Okay. I'm out of breath now, but that was like what? I stopped that. That was 22 seconds. That's it. That's all I'm giving you.